salamat, hindi malilimutan ating pinagdaanan, ating pinagsamahan, sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN. Simula pa lamang, kayo ang naging magulang sa aking bawat hakbang. Tulong nyo'y tamang daan sa aking mga pagsubok. Kayo'y laging tumutok, kayo na ang laging kapay hanggang sa magtagumpay. Salamat, salamat, hindi malilimutan.
In about here to set. So if you want to know more, don't go away. Alright, so after that I want to point out that the kydex, well, kydex isn't even really a technical term anymore, but the material that kydex is like, it has kind of like the leather texture. It's not going to come with any kind of attachments, but I just so happen to have some extra attachments, and the most logical one to use is the holder clip, so that's what I went with. So let's break this thing down and talk about the specs on it. Talk about it's got an 11/8" ring, which allows you to draw with or without plugs. I've got medium, large size gears. The ring is definitely big enough, but it's not like too small or too big. This particular one, there's different models. This is the Tonto one. So it is the Tonto grind, and it is 3/16" thick. We've got the back texture handle. Amazing kind of back sliding when wet. It's got some grip to it, but it's not like full grip. Feels pretty good. Okay, I misspoke a minute ago. Yep, I must have been recalling maybe another model or something like that. This is not S35VN, this is CPM 3V. So this is CPM 3V
Provincial
with a
Station,
KG gun
DZBS Baguio, DYKB
texture
Bacolod,
G10 handle.
DXXX Zamboanga, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXTX General Santos, DYKC Cebu, DZKI Iriga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKS Surigao, DXKD Pagadia, DXKT Davao, DZRL Bata RPN Provincial Station.
So every one of these made in USA, Flex Tech Kydex Chief, that's what they call it.
Ang pinaka-enot sa ringkunada.
This is my multiple friction offset
Puon kay
to
to sa
eliminate
gungunyan.
belly rattle. I don't know what that means.
Minaanduyog sa baga na mamanuan.
Figured out a really good way to
Katuwang para sa kauswagan.
actually put that in there.
Sa mga bareta, patas.
Okay, so we've
Sa
got an overall length
impormasyon,
of
public service,
8.25
enot
inches.
ka.
We have a blade length of
Malalaoman,
3.75
katotohan,
inches.
ang
Blade
sinasarigan.
thickness 0.187.
Inina ang
or 5
bagong
millimeters.
Radyo Ronda.
Blade steel is CPM 3V
DZKI
Tonto
Iriga
style.
Radyo
Blade
Ronda.
KG gun
Ang
coat
maugmang
coating.
kairiba.
Handle
Madya
material
na.
is 10. The weight is 6.7 ounces, made in the USA. Retail price on these is about $275. So you don't have to gripe. You don't have to tell me why you don't need it. Believe it or not, these videos are made for everybody, not just you. We take it for granted that there are going to be some people that don't want the nightly show.
Mga karonda.
But you don't have to tell me.
Sa
You don't have to
programa.
tell me. I mean, it saves us a lot of time in the comment section if you just like, it's not for me, and move on. But it might be for somebody. They might be interested in this. So it kind of, the style of it, a little bit of a SOCP dagger meets Tonto point. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's got a nice feel. Yeah, you can do all the Gravity type stuff that you like to do with the Gambit rings because that's why they're fun. really, really well in the front pocket. The draw on it's nice. I'm not saying you need it, but there are people that just want things. Or maybe you do need it. I don't know. Who am I to judge? But I wanted something different. I wanted something that wasn't like things that I already had, and I wanted something that wasn't like blades that other people have shown recently. So this definitely fit the bill, and it was definitely cool. So I've been liking that a lot. Just like I've been liking this last one that I showed more and more. That big Kershaw. I know it's a love it or hate it thing, but I like it. Nice. Then these are the last two things I picked up from DLT. But yeah, I wanted to show this to you, and then also just to let you know, I mean, there's a bunch of different types of blade styles with this brand on DLT. So just go to the site and click on the brand and see some of the other ones. Because I was kind of like on the fence between this one and one more like the traditional style handle. But I'm like, that looks really cool. I'm gonna go with that. It literally took me several days to decide because there was like a handful of them that looked really cool, and ultimately I went with this one, and I'm very happy with it. Happy with the purchase. So I can say that because I actually purchased a freaking knife. This ain't a freebie. I'm just saying I like something because I got it for free. I mean, I exchange money. So USA 42.39. What that means, but something. So yeah, it came with a pretty decent edge. I ran it on the ceramic rod. So what I use this for, I don't know. Open a mail. It's like my standard answer for everything. But hey, if you like it, great. If not, no harm done. But now you're aware of it, and it's something new to look at. So there you go, folks. That is the Tour Knives Serpent that I found at DLT. There's a bunch of other ones there, different styles that aren't like this.
Bareta Asin Platika ni Phillip Baracina. Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng M. Luelier. Pera padala. Ang oras na yan, atod sa Indo ni Mr. Julio Victor Marlo Sigera, President, Sigera Technological Colleges, Iriga City. Para sa edukasyon di kalidad, Sigera Technological Colleges.
Ang oras na ini, dara po sa Indo kan Losenya Electrical Supply. Para po sa madikalidad na electrical product, day po kalingawan, Losenya Electrical Supply. Losenya Electrical Supply, madaling makukuha, aranisa na sa Barangay Hall, kan San Francisco, Iriga City. On and managed by Engineer Meneleo Losenya.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Tayo na sa Emloye, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay, tulay ng pagmamahalan, tulay na nagbibigay buhay. Dito na sa Emloye, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
Ang mga malalaking mga balita, ang mga matitinding mga pinag-uusapan, ang mga maiinit at pinagtatalunang mga issue. Lahat hagip, lahat malalaman. Hindi lang sa buong Metro at Mega Manila. Kasama na ang buong Pilipinas. Hahagupit na ang mga malalaking issue sa Ronda Pilipinas. Live na live sa DWIZ AM Metro at Mega Manila. Naka-live din sa DWIZ News FM Regional Stations. Naka-live din sa Radyo Ronda AM Radio sa Pilipinas. Live ding mapapanood sa Aliw 23 Free TV. At naka-live din sa lahat ng DWIZ Digital News accounts, Facebook, YouTube at DWIZ News website. Ronda Pilipinas. Wala nang mahuhuli sa balita. Wala nang maiiwanang issue na hindi mo alam. Ngayon, updated ka na sa Ronda Pilipinas. Kasama si Dennis Antenor Jr. Ronda Pilipinas. Monday to Friday, 10 a.m.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Makabloom sa charm. Walang amoy kulong kahit sabay sa laon. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS. Ikot pa lumipat siya. Hello bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Ikot pa lumipat siya. Hello bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Mga idol, alam nyo ba? Mas na-i-enjoy ko ng paglalaba ngayon. Kasi di ba ang sakit sa kamay maglaba lalo kung kusot ka ng kusot dahil sa mga mantsa. Tapos, magiging dry pa ang kamay mo na minsan nagiging flaky o magkakaroon ng cracks. Hay, ayoko talaga ng ganon. Pero alam nyo ba mga idol? Nung isang araw, napabili ako ng Pride Bar Blue kasi napansin ko ang daming mommies na bumibili nun. At in fairness, di sumakit ang kamay ko pagkatapos maglaba. Ang bilis ko pang natapos kasi isang laba lang, natanggal agad ang mga mantsa. Kaya naman mga idol, lalo na sa mga mommies na nakikinig, kung di nyo pa nasusubukan ang Pride Bar Blue, oras na para bumili. Dahil sa Pride Bar Blue, isang laba lang, tanggal mantsa agad. Di pa masakit sa kamay. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y
99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tubod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo, pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Halik sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo.
Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Araw kayan, pag Smart ang Dishwashing Paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing ng sebo, asin bakterya.
Pahit para walang pahit. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko ta. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linig, kada
So
pahig.
if that's your
Smart
thing,
Dishwashing Paste,
you like-
manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ano ba yan? Isa pa nga. Ayoko talaga. Can't get the perfect shot, mga idol. Kulang ba minsan ng confidence pag tinitingnan ng skin sa pictures? Nako, ganyan din ako dati. Parang laging dull ang skin. Kahit anong lighting, kahit anong filter, kulang sa kinang. Buti na lang, gumamit ako ng bagong White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use. Papaya puti, papaya fast. Mga idol, eto na ang sagot. Available sa mga grocery stores at supermarkets nationwide. Bili na ng White Rose Papaya. Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng M. Luelier, Pera Padala.
Nakagat ika sa ayam, i-Ravax mo na yan. Nakalmot ikakaupos, i-Ravax mo na yan. Magpabakuna na sa Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic. 7 years na po sindang pinagkakatiwalaan sa healthcare services at kusira reliable professionals. Barato asin de kalidad na bakuna. Ligtas, probado, asin asertado. Alaga, Ravax yan. Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic. Bakunang angat, serbisyong dapat sa presyong abot kaya at matapat. Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic. An active anti-rabies vaccine. 699 sana. Ang booster, pre-exposure, senior as in PWD, 499 sana. Ang common sira flu vaccine, pneumonia vaccine, asin iba pa. Kaya mayan na. Sali na kita sa Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic. Baoy na sa 0967-152-0610 o bumisita sa Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic sa Alfilor Street, San Miguel, Iriga City, sa Taasana, Law Office ni Attorney Ferdinandinho Arani Sayusan.
Pamper and delight yourself and your loved ones. Come to Secret Blend Salon and Ayurveda Spa. Take advantage of our special promo packages and choose any of the following services: haircut, hair rebond, hot oil, hair spa, hair mask, ionic hair treatment, cellophane, hair perming, hair color, manicure with polish, pedicure with polish, oriental whitening hand spa with manicure, oriental whitening foot spa with pedicure, keratin therapy, hot stones massage, tulasi, cool body massage, gel polish, and facial treatment. Book your appointment today. Come and visit us at Secret Blend Salon and Ayurveda Spa.
Main spa is located at LSC building in front of Landmark Iriga, Gonzales Street, San Francisco, Iriga City. Opens daily 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
For reservation, text or call 0938-652-4510 or call 299-7133. Secret Blend Salon and Ayurveda Spa.
problema ang sasakyan mo? Kulog tayo na, kulog bulsa pa! Pero don't worry amigo, sa Maximus Auto Care Center, ang auto mo ayos tulos. Ang Maximus Auto Care Center may computerized car diagnostics and scanning, mechanical services, body repair, electrical, battery charging, car aircon specialist. Asing nag-aako man sinda nin preventive maintenance services para sa gabos na klase nin bihikulo, kabali and fire truck. I-contact lang ang Maximus Auto Care Center sa Nabwa, Balatan Road, Zone 1, Sitio Abaca, San Antonio, Ogbon, Nabwa, Camarines Sur sa 054-884-6509, 0915-096-1993 o sa 0960-563-9766. Email address maximusautocc@gmail.com. FB page Maximus Auto Care Center. Hanapon lang si Mr. Joseph Sim, Chief Mechanic, Maximus Auto Care Center. Maximus Auto Care Center, open from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Maximus Auto Care Center is PhilJets registered.
Sa panagos na pag-asigura na ang pirang taon na tiwala sa kalidad kan mga materyales na mababakal sa Ngo & Sons, magtinino, pinagmarhay kan Ngo Brothers na dai na mag-arog sa iba na nagpapabakal ng mga substandard as in undersized na mga bakal, arog kan kabilya, angle bars, as in iba pa, tasigon sa mga eksperto, nakabarato ka man sa presyo, alagan dai asertado ang siring na mga materyales as in posibleng magdulot pa ng diskwido kaya sa Ngo & Sons. Ang materyales mo nakasunod sa Philippine standards. Di kalidad, asin sigurado, nasa tamang standards. Asin safe, ang sa imong pamilya, Ngo & Sons. Ang ngaran na matitiwalaan, poon kadto, sad kungunyan.
Paano ka mag-online shopping ngayon? Bayad muna bago bukas parcel? Online shopping with ShopSafe. Bukas parcel bago bayad. Introducing M. Lulier's newest iwas scam service, ShopSafe. ShopSafe is an online escrow service which connects buyers and sellers safely online on Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, and Carousel. Magaan ng online shopping with ShopSafe. Download the Amcash app now or visit mlulier.com to learn more about it. Shop smart, sell safe with ShopSafe.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Bareta Asin Platika ni Phillip Baracina. Bareta Asin Platika ni Phillip Baracina.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit. Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS, ikot pa lumipat siya. Hello, bright bargain. Isang labanan yan. Bright bargain.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Ikot pa lumipat siya. Hello, bright bargain. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton sa mancha, malupit sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Mga idol, alam nyo ba, mas nai-enjoy ko ng paglalaba ngayon. Kasi di ba ang sakit sa kamay maglaba, lalo kung kusot ka ng kusot dahil sa mga mancha. Tapos, magiging dry pa ang kamay mo na minsan, nagiging flaky o magkakaroon ng cracks. Hay, ayoko talaga ng ganon. Pero alam nyo ba mga idol, nung isang araw, napabili ako ng Pride Bar Blue. Kasi napansin ko, ang daming mommies na bumibili nun. At in fairness, di sumakit ang kamay ko pagkatapos maglaba. Ang bilis ko pang natapos kasi isang laba lang, natanggal agad ang mga mancha. Kaya naman mga idol, lalo na sa mga mommies na nakikinig, kung di nyo pa nasusubukan ang Pride Bar Blue, oras na para bumili. Dahil sa Pride Bar Blue, isang laba lang, tanggal mancha agad. Di pa masakit sa kamay. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, ikaw ba'y sigurado? Ikaw ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pati virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Gadan ang 99.9% of bacterial and virus tested. Tupod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Halit sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Araw kayan, pag Smart ang Dishwashing Paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing ng sebo, asin bakterya.
Pahit para walang pahit. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linig, kada pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing. Para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protektado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ano ba yan? Isa pa nga. Ayoko talaga. Can't get the perfect shot mga idol. Kulang ba minsan ng confidence pag tinitingnan ng skin sa pictures? Nako, ganyan din ako dati. Parang laging dull ang skin. Kahit anong lighting, kahit anong filter, kulang sa kinang. Buti na lang, gumamit ako ng bagong White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use. Papaya puti, puti, papaya fast. Mga idol, eto na ang sagot. Available sa mga grocery stores at supermarkets nationwide. Bili na ng White Rose Papaya. Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Problema ang sasakyan mo? Kulog tayo na, kulog bulsa pa! Pero don't worry amigo, sa Maximus Auto Care Center, ang auto mo ayos tulos. Ang Maximus Auto Care Center may computerized car diagnostics and scanning, mechanical services, body repair, electrical, battery charging, car aircon specialist. Asing nag-aako man sinda nin preventive maintenance services para sa gabos na klase nin bihikulo, kabali ang fire truck. I-contact lang ang Maximus Auto Care Center sa Nabwa, Balatan Road, Zone 1, Sitio Abaca, San Antonio, Ogbon, Nabwa, Camarines Sur sa 054-884-6509, 0915-096-1993 o sa 0960-563-9766. Email address maximusautocc@gmail.com. FB page Maximus Auto Care Center. Hanapon lang si Mr. Joseph Sim, Chief Mechanic, Maximus Auto Care Center. Maximus Auto Care Center, open from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Maximus Auto Care Center is PhilJets registered.